What's up everybody, this is Dustin over at Sarah Acura. Today I'm going to be going over with you some of the remote features that Acura has standard on all of their vehicles. Alright, so starting over at the driver's side, we can see here that the car is locked, the mirrors are folded in. Now with every Acura vehicle, it does come standard with remote entry. The first way I'm going to show you how to do it is through the driver's door. What's nice about this is if you put your hand inside the door handle like this with the key fob in your pocket or in your purse, it'll open up just the driver's door. Now, this is a really nice safety feature because if for whatever reason you're getting into your car, you don't have to worry about someone else being able to hop in with you. All the doors are still locked. Now, you can change this in a setting that I'll go over in a little bit. As we close this, you can lock the doors, once again, just with your key fob in your pocket or your purse. Press the button on top of the handle there, and it locks all the doors. Now, coming to the back side, this is on the technology package and above. You have the ability to do the remote entry on the back doors as well. What's nice about this is if you do it from either the passenger side or the two back doors here, the car automatically assumes that there are going to be more passengers, so it unlocks all the doors. So now we'll leave this open. All the doors are unlocked because it assumes that there are going to be more than one passenger. What's nice about that, if you have children, they can hop in. They can hop in first, get all situated. Then you don't have to, you can hop in the driver's side and all the kids will be situated before you even get in the driver's side door. Close this. Once again, on the technology package and above, you can also lock the car by pressing the ridges there. Now, what's really cool, and this will be in a future video, but if you unlock the car, it also unlocks the gas flap here. So you can see that it's locked. Now it's unlocked. And then when you lock the car again, it locks the gas door. Coming around to the backside, we're gonna go over the tailgate real quick. One of the cool things, all the doors are locked, but you can still open up the tailgate. We'll go ahead and close it. Now all the doors are still locked, and when the tailgate closes, it'll flash the hazards, letting you know that the doors are still locked. And just for a point of reference, there we go. Now, what's also really cool, we're gonna open this back up, and we're gonna leave it right here. So there's a button right here that you can press to lock the car. I don't know if you heard that, but we'll come back around. Car's unlocked. What's nice about this is if you get out of the car and you want to grab something out of the tailgate, you don't want to have to walk all the way back to the doors to lock them. You can press this button here, and hopefully the camera picked that up, but now the doors are locked again. So now I'm gonna go over the settings that you can change to kind of make the remote entry a little bit more personalized. I'm gonna go over the walk-away auto lock in that as well. So now that we're inside the car, I'm gonna go over some of the settings that you can change in order to personalize the keyless access setup to your liking. So the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna scroll over, we're gonna go down to settings, we're gonna go to vehicle, and then we're gonna scroll down and you see keyless access setup. The first one I wanna go over is the power tailgate. So you can change how the power tailgate responds with just the keyless access. So if we go keyless open mode, right now it is set to anytime, which means with the key fob within range of the vehicle, even if all the doors are locked, you can still press the button on the back of the tailgate and it'll open. If you put it to when unlocked, even if you're within range of the vehicle, you still have to unlock the doors in order to use the powered tailgate. Most of my clients prefer just having it at any time. It's just a little bit easier, saves some time. So now we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to the keyless access setup. Now you can see here you have a bunch of different options and settings that you can change. The first one I want to go over is the door unlock mode. Right now it's set to all doors and you have driver's door. What this means is when you put your hand in the door handle, the car will either just unlock the driver's door or unlock all doors. So we'll go ahead and switch it over to driver's door. So now anytime you put your hand in the driver's door, it will unlock just that door. If you have it, we'll go back so you can see it. If you have it all doors, when you put your hand in the driver's door handle, it'll unlock all 4 of the doors for you. Keyless access, light flash, and access beep. Pretty much all this does is alert you when you lock and unlock your car. You can either turn it off or on. I advise my clients just to leave it on so they have an audible and visual alert letting them know that the car is locked or that they are unlocking the car. We'll go back. One of my favorite features is walk away auto lock. Now what this does is with the key fob in your pocket or your purse, if you turn the car off, leave the car, close all the doors, the car will lock itself. You'll hear a distinctive beep. You'll hear 2 of them. You'll hear the first one as you start walking away. You get about 5 feet away, you'll hear the first one. You get 10 feet away, you'll hear the second one. That second one indicates that the car is now locked. And I'll showcase that as we exit the vehicle today. Lockout protection. What that does is it pretty much will keep your car unlocked if the key fob is inside the car, or if the key fob is not within proximity of the vehicle. It will unlock the car, allowing you to find the key fob, grab it, and then it will relock the car for you after 15 seconds. So those are some of the settings. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head on out so that way we can show you how the walkaway auto lock works. So the key is in my pocket. You heard 1 beep as I slowly walk away. You hear the second beep. Now the mirrors are folded in, which means that the car is locked. As always, thank you so much for joining us. If you have any questions on the features that I've gone over today, please feel free to reach out to myself or one of our other product specialists. We'll be more than happy to assist you in any way that we can. Have a good day, folks.